I'm excited about International Year of the Woman Farmer. It has been declared such by the United Nations. It is significant to have women in agriculture really held up in a very visible way to celebrate all the contributions that women have historically made.
When we choose who we partner with for our food, but also on our beverage side, we want to showcase people who haven't had a voice in an industry that has been predominantly one-sided.
Diversity and inclusion in the wine industry is something that we have actively worked at. And I think if we want to see our consumers represent America, our wineries should represent America.
It's really important to hold up women and the role they've always played, but be very intentional about their story and their contributions to what we celebrate when we have the joy of enjoying good food on a daily basis.